Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, Elisa J's World, and today I want to share with you my bag of the day. I'm carrying my Florentine Camden hobo in the black I am carrying Big Mama. So before we get into showing the video, because it's going to be a very short video, I would like to thank all my new subscribers to my channel, and if you're new to this channel and you like handbag videos, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below, and if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video, you can hit the bell notification next to it by hitting all. Alright guys, so let's get into this. I wanted to share this with you today. It's not really a sunny day. It is a little chilly, and it was snowing and raining earlier. So I decided to carry her because I need to carry everything with me today that I needed to carry with me. So all right guys, hold on, I'm gonna show you. All right, so here she is. She is the Florentine hobo. I carried her in the store. I had to make a quick run in the grocery store, and it wasn't that hard carrying her on the shoulder. This pocket was great for my cell phone. I'm carrying the Samsung Note Plus with me, so this fits in sideways and standing upright in the pocket. It's easy access. Everything I'm carrying in her today. I'm carrying my wallet. Yes, I finally got out of that small wallet, so I'm carrying my zip around wallet. I'm carrying my essentials, which is, I put my readers in here, tissues and dental floss. I have a separate bag for my mask for when I go into the store. I have my bag of tricks carry-all with actually almost everything I'm carrying with her. I got my chargers, which I think I forgot my Apple iPad charger. Sure did. Oh well. Alright, so, and let's see, I have my gloves because it's one of them days, and my eyeglass case is in the pocket. If you can see here, the eyeglass case and my contacts right here in the pocket, in this one slip pocket, and that's the narrow one. There's another slip pocket next to it, which is a little bit more narrow. Oh, I didn't realize that. This pocket is, oh, this still has the tissue from when I first got it. So this is my first time, guys. I don't think I have anything in the zipper. I didn't put anything in this zipper pocket or the slip pocket there. This is my first time carrying her. I have a receipt from the grocery store. So that's pretty much what I'm carrying. My little lotion, need my lotion. I put her in that little pocket right there. I don't have my iPad in her because when I went to the store, I took the iPad out because I could not carry it in the store with just with that. So that is her, my Florentine Camden hobo in the black. And definitely I'm getting ready to get out the car, so I am going to put my tablet in here and swing it around my arm. I'm only going a few steps, so yes. So I hope you guys like my video. This is my first time sharing on the go bag, and I know I've been kind of absent. I've been really busy lately, so I wanted to come on here, let you know, let you guys know I'm still out here. I'm still watching you guys, and I will be making a new video soon. So until next time, guys, stay tuned, be blessed. Till the next time.